Welcome to our fifth and final video of my trip to Iceland. In this video we go through the southern region of Iceland on our way back to Reykjavik, where we come across waterfalls, caves, sea stacks. It's quite interesting, so hopefully you enjoy this and we'll see you a bit later on. Alright, we're now between sunset and sunrise, it's around about midnight I think. But we've come to this cave. I'll put the name of the cave up on the video because it's not easily pronounceable, but it also has the nickname the Yoda Cave. Don't know whether you can see there from the cave entrance why, but when I put the picture up, the best of the ones I've taken, you'll see why it's called the Yoda Cave. And now we're going to go to the black sand beach, just photograph the sea stacks, etc. So anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, well the next day, and we've just been to what is sometimes known as the secret waterfall. I'll put the name up. We've got some nice shots I think, which we'll put up on the video after this. Very rural area. I think the next stop is for dinner, and then we're going to Háifoss rather, where hopefully we'll get some nice photos. So sorry there's lots of photos and not much vlogging in between. I just find it difficult on a workshop and get very disorientated with time and what I've done. So, but hopefully you're enjoying this, and we'll see you a bit later. Right, well, we're here at, I think it's pronounced Háifoss. I'll put the name up on the video. Didn't go to the main waterfall there. If we go along, you can't really see it, but there's a canyon with a waterfall in that I went to, which is quite interesting. Difficult to photograph, but we certainly took some shots, which if they're any good, I'll put them up on the video. So just heading back to the van, and then it's off to a restaurant for some food. So it's it's about 6:45 in the evening. So yeah, we're going to get some food, then go to the campsite, set up camp, and then do sunrise shoot at I think it's called Háifoss. And then by about 3 in the morning it'll be time to bed. So right, anyway, we'll see you later. Right, we've been to this Háifoss, and I came back slightly before the others. It is extremely windy, very low temperature, so the wind chill, and you're just having to hang on to everything, your tripod, etc. It's brutal. So if there is any decent pictures that are not blurred, I'll put them up on the video after this. I think the idea now is to go back to the campsite, set up the tents, and then decide what we're going to do for sunrise. So anyway, we'll see you a little bit later.